All right, so this one is going to be a 2 video lesson. It did not go fast enough, but this second video should be real quick. All right, so let's recap over here. I went through this kind of quick. So look at this. Notice that x, it's an inscribed angle, so it's not in the middle. It's not in the middle. So therefore it is half of the intercepted arc, which is this one. So half of 30 is 15. Now, but notice that y is also an inscribed angle, so it is also half of the intercepted arc, which is 30. So half of 30 is 15. So they're both the same thing. Now, this is number 4. We left this one off on the other video. We know that this is 90 because half of a circle is 180, and the inscribed angle, which would be this angle, A, is going to be half of the intercepted arc, which is 180. So half of 180 is 90. And then a triangle, we know, adds up to be 180. So here we add them all up, set it equal to 180, combine like terms. All right, so let's move on to the last 2 problems. So let's take a look at this one down here. So we have a full circle. I know that this part is 145, and I know that this part is 145. So then we know that AB plus the 2 green ones, shouldn't that add up to be 360? So then let's figure out what the blue is going to be, what AB is going to be. We're going to do 145 plus 145. Let me fix that. 4 is going to be 290. And then we're going to take 360 minus the 290 to get 70. Okay, we're going to ignore that right now. All right, so then if this is the intercepted arc, if the intercepted arc is AB, then the central angle is going to be equal, which is going to be 70 degrees. All right, 70 degrees. Okay, and then the inscribed angle, which is this one, which is angle T, is going to be half of that, remember? So 70 divided by 2 equals 35 degrees. All right, let's take a look at this last one. So look at this. We have this angle. Okay, this is still going to be the intercepted arc. But notice the way they show us the inscribed angle. The intercepted arc is going to be all of this right here. But the same rules apply. The inscribed angle is half of the intercepted arc. So look at this. The intercepted arc, which is the purple, is 4x minus 10. Now I can't set 4x minus 10 equals x plus 50. I need to divide the 4x minus 10 by 2, right? So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to do the inscribed angle, which is x plus 50 equals half. Remember, half. What's 4 divided by 2? Or half of 4 is 2x. And then what's half of 10? 5. All right, now you solve this equation on your own. You're going to start solving these equations on your own. So pause the video, solve the equation, and let's come back if we get the same x. Or let's come back to see if we get the same x. Okay, that concludes, we get x equals 55. All right, so you can go ahead and rewatch the video, pause it at any time you want throughout the video. You can rewatch the first lesson, but that concludes all of the lessons for week 3. I hope you will join me for week 4. But until then, have a great week. See you, or I hope to teach you more next week.